welcome to my channel. It's your girl Angel D Boss, and I'd like to welcome you to see how I make Antiguan banana flitters. Here we have in the bowl 8 fully ripe bananas. It's best to use the bananas when they're fully ripe and brown, have that rotten look on them, but they're not rotten. It gives the texture and the flavor amazing. Like, it's even better when it's fully ripe. So we're going to go ahead and add these ingredients, get them mashed up and ready for you guys to see the finished product. They're so delicious. I would recommend this to any and everyone for snack, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So stay tuned as you see I make these flitters. Okay, so here we have the masher. I have a couple other ingredients that I'm going to add, which is essence, which is an Antiguan flavored essence that we have, like spices, but for food. Well, not really spice, but it's essence, as you call it. I don't know. But anyway, I have sugar, water, flour, which is really simple. This is like a quick go-to snack. You could have this as a breakfast, lunch, or dinner. As right now, I'm making it for dinner. So I'm going to make it with some corned beef. So stay tuned for the finished product. But I'm adding the sugar. I'll add the water, the essence, and I'll go ahead and mash it up so it won't be so hard to mash the bananas. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. Now that you have everything mixed, the water, bananas, sugar, essence, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You stir everything up, get it to a nice consistency where it's not too thick, creamy, a little bit of, not too thick but loose. I don't know how to say that, but yeah. Anyway, so you go ahead, continue mix. I'm going to add some more flour because I like extra leftovers for the next day. You could have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, even snacks. It's my favorite, so I like to make a batch, a real good amount when I get to making this. So now that everything's mixed, you're going to get it all ready to be fried. I know you see the nice banana pieces in the mix. When they get on your tongue and you bite into them, it's just so delicious. So again, I hope when you guys try this for yourself, comment down below and let me know how it turned out. And here we have everything in the frying pan. I start frying at least 3 to 4 batches at a time. And word of advice, when frying the banana flitters, forgive me for that, always make sure you start the frying pan with oil to make it get to a nice, warm, heated temperature. So when you put your flitters in, they're perfectly good to start catching to the heat instead of just sitting there in the oil. So get them to a nice brown consistency, a nice brown color. Consistency, forgive me. I have the stove at a medium temperature, so you see the color coming in. Forgive me, guys, you hear my accent coming in. I do have an Antiguan accent. I try to hide it, but it comes out when it wants to, when I'm talking and saying certain words. But yeah, we're having everything made, and sorry again, I'm getting sick, I think. So we have them fried, getting everything made. Again, comment down below if you like banana flitters, if you see something that I missed that you tried it, because I know other Caribbean islands, like such as Jamaica, make these as well, and everyone enjoy them. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video, and thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram at I am Angel D Boss. Bye.